Hey guys, so my MacBook Pro just got here. The lighting's kind of bad at my dad's house, but I'm gonna go ahead and show like it, kind of like a little unboxing, I guess.
No, keep it open. The light. Manny! What a jerk.
So, to be honest, I wish that there was a little bit more like padding in here. That would have been nice. I mean, this is like almost $2,000, so would have been really... It's not like the latest year. Like I bought it off of Fingerhut. Fingerhut has been really good to me. I have like $2,000 credit limit with them, and they have like every time that I bought something, I've paid it off as quick as possible, and they always up like the limit, and it always helps my credit. So anyways, I got the MacBook Pro. You guys know I've been using my phones and my tab for such a long time. Well, over a year. I talk like I had a YouTube channel for like millions of years, but it's like only been like a year and a half or two, almost 2 years. But anyways, so I think it'll be like 2 years in December. But I did have a camera that was pretty nice, but then I had no laptop to like edit it with. So I got this, but I do plan on getting a new camera like very soon. Actually, I'm going to use my Best Buy credit card for that. I don't know why I'm giving that detail, but you know. Hashtag Brooke AF. So, anyways. But yeah, I gave my other camera to my sister, so I wanted like something like either a Nikon or a Canon. I think I'm gonna get the Canon TSI. It seems like really good, so yeah. But I will go ahead and open it up now. You guys, I'm so excited. Here it is. It's like a little tab thing. It has a charger. I'm guessing this is the charger too, like part of it, I guess. So I bought this off of Fingerhut, just letting you guys know that again. I don't think there's anything else in here. But so it has this like cover right here you gotta take off. I have waited so long just to get this. I really am grateful. So this right here just like proves that like if you work hard for something, it'll just work itself out. You might not get like the equipment that you need right away, but you know, I had gotten this Fingerhut account, I don't even know, like 2 or 3 years ago, 3 years probably. And I just kept buying from them, and not even sometimes a lot, you know, like I mean some things weren't even that much money, and I just kept paying it off as quick as possible, and then the credit went up, and I mean I had $1,000 credit with Best Buy, but then I don't know, I'm not really happy with Best Buy, and they kind of screwed me over, and they never like raised my credit. English. Yeah, so this is it, you guys. I'm impressed with it so far. I need to go and buy like a case like right now, just to make sure that it never breaks, because this is so expensive. So expensive. Where's he? I don't know what's going on. I feel like I don't remember my dad's password, but yeah, you guys, so that's the unboxing. It comes with a charger. I really just don't know much about it, to be honest. I just know it's like a really good laptop for YouTube, for editing. MacBook Pro, 13-inch. Yay! I'm really impressed so far, you guys. Feels very durable. I'm going to do like a 1 month update on how I'm liking my MacBook, and I will just let you guys know how everything is going with the video editing for YouTube, how everything's holding up. Anyways, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope you like this unboxing. I know it's not very like informative, like I'm not a tech person, so but I just want to like show you like how it will come if you order it from Fingerhut and like what you can expect. Alright, you guys, thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.